Hi everybody, today we're going to make a Lego snail. These are the pieces we're going to use. We'll put a list in the description. At the end, make sure you subscribe. Okay, we're going to start with the head. We're going to take our 1x2 with the little clippy-do and attach it to the 2x2 with that looks like it has a 1x1 or 1x2 on the top, and that has 2 dots on it. It's on the thickest part, and we're gonna attach them like this to make the snail's head and antennas. Then we're going to place it like it's connected, but not. We're going to place the 2x2. Then we're going to place the 2x3 next to it like it's connected. Then we're going to take the 2x4 and connect it on top so it connects all 3 pieces together. Well, 4. Then we're going to build the shell. We're going to take the slanted on the bottom 2x2 and both of them, flip them opposite ways and attach them like they're the same piece. Then we're going to take the slanted on the top, both of them, put them separate ways and attach them on the shell. And then to connect the shell, put your big hold circle flat plate on top. And then attach the shell to the snail. There, you have made a 10-piece Lego snail.